Good day to you all from Maths Global Learning Hub. This is Mr. T presenting a lesson on counting principle.
Consider the word statistics. How many different arrangements are possible if all the letters are used? If you look at our word and if we count there, we are going to see that we've got 10 letters. Then we also need to check for the repeated letters. And if we look at the repeated letters, we are going to see that we have got 3 S's, we have got 3 T's, and we've got 2 I's. Therefore, our final answer is going to be 10 factorial over 3 factorial times 3 factorial times 2 factorial. Remember, we put the repeated letters in the denominators. And our final answer is going to be different ways. If I move on to B, what is the probability that the word will start and end with the same letter? Let's look at the options that we have. The first option, it can start with S and then end with S. So it means in between we are going to have 8 letters. And then we have S at the end. But we need to check if we have repeated letters. We will see that we've got 3 T's and we've got 2 I's here. Therefore, if I simplify here, I'm going to get 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2 factorial, and this simplifies to 3,360 different ways. If I look at the second option, if we start with a T, we are going to have 8 positions inside, and then we are going to end with the letter T. And again, if we check for the repetitions, we are going to see that we've got 3 S's and 2 I's here. Therefore, if I simplify, I'm going to get 8 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial, and I'm going to get 3,660. Then in the last option, I'm going to start with the letter I, and in between I'm going to have 8, and then I have the letter I here. And if I check here, I'm going to notice that I'm going to have 3 S's which are repeated, and I'm also going to have 3 T's. And if I simplify here, I'm going to get 8 factorial to arrange the letters inside, divided by the arrangements of the repetitions. And my final answer. If I simplify, I'm going to get 1,120. Therefore, if I look at my options, I'm going to add and if I add them, I'm getting an answer of 7,840. But what did the question want us to find? The question wanted us to find the probability of starting and ending with the same letter. And end with the same letter. And this is going to be equal to and this answer here simplifies to 7/45. You can also write your answer as a decimal, or you can write it as a fraction.
This wraps up our lesson for today on counting principle. Thank you for your time.